The wig literally came like this out of the box. Hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tisha Marie, and today I'm going to be doing a wig review. I feel like it's been a minute since I've done a wig review for y'all. So the wig that I have on is from LuvMe. They are sponsoring today's video, so thank you so much to LuvMe for partnering with me on today's video. If you guys are interested in seeing me unbox this wig, apply it, and giving y'all like my honest review of it, then let's go ahead and get right into it. I know I look crazy, but we got a wig to review. I love LuvMe. I've collaborated with LuvMe several times, so I'm super excited to be collabing with them again today. As always, I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion, whether it's good or bad. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig. This is how it looks when you open the box. You got your wig right here on top, your edge brush. I think this is a bonnet, a little band to tie down your wig, and some wig caps. So this is how the hair looks straight out of the box. And baby, she's already curled. I'm guessing I'm gonna be able to just throw this on my head and keep it moving. This is a 7x6 closure wig, and this is HD lace. I do want to show you guys the lace. It already has everything done for you because this wig is already pre-bleached, pre-cut, and pre-plucked. I also want to show you guys the inside of the wig and how it's constructed. It does have like this breathable ventilation back here for you, so if you like need to scratch your hair, or because it's summertime you still want to make sure that your scalp can breathe. And then it also has this anti-slip like silicone band around the perimeter of the back of the wig, so your wig isn't going to be like moving all around on your head, because we want to make sure our wigs are secure. So I did pull up the details of the wig on the website. So this is called their PartingMax Glueless Wig, 7x6 closure HD lace, pre-plucked and bleached and ready to go. You can part it any kind of way that you want to, and it's glueless. Like, we love a glueless wig, especially in the summertime. So let's see what this wig is gonna give. So this is how the wig is looking without me having done anything to it. Now, I did put a little bit of powder on the lace just so that it can match my skin tone better, but the lace is definitely giving HD. I have not put any glue, any spray, any foam, or anything on this wig. I literally just threw this on my head, and this is how it looks. This is giving me like 20s Hollywood glamour. But let me just show y'all that this is truly glueless and that I didn't do anything to it. See? There is no glue under there. And can we also just get into how flat this wig is? I don't even have my hair braided down under here. I have my hot comb plugged up over here. I don't even think I'm gonna need it. I do love that the wig is already pre-styled. So look at the curls. Like, the curls are so cute. Usually I put some layers in the front, but do we need to do that? And look at the hairline, you guys. Isn't that crazy? And look at the lace. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see the lace? I feel real cute in this hair. Like, LuvMe's wigs are always really, really good. Like, they always come pre-parted, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. LuvMe, did y'all customize this wig for me? Because that's what this is giving. I did kind of like comb through the curls just a little bit because they were a little bit too tight for me. So let me show y'all the back of it. This wig does have quite a bit of parting space, even though it's a closure. I'm a middle part girl. I love to do a middle part. So I'm just gonna show you guys that you can part it in different spots if you want to. You can do a side part over here if you decide that you don't want it on that side anymore. Should I go ahead and melt this lace? I'll go ahead and do it just because. I'm gonna go ahead and take this band off because like I said, this is a quick melt. It's only been probably like 5 minutes maybe. And like I said, I'm only doing this just because this wig really didn't need to be melted down. And I just want to show y'all again, zoomed in one last time after I melted it down. What would I rate this wig? Easily 11 out of 10. And that's mainly because I did not have to do a single thing to this wig, but put some powder on the lace into this wig. I literally put it on my head and it was good. It was already melted. Like I didn't even need to melt it down like I just did. I just did that just because. And it was already curled for me, so I didn't have to bring my flat irons out, my curling wand out. So thank you so much to LuvMe for partnering with me. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like this type of content. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about this wig and if you're planning on purchasing this yourself. Because girl, if you're looking for a wig, look no further, this is the one right here. Please make sure you subscribe and join the fam. And I will see y'all next time. All right, bye.